All right, I'm going to review with you how to complete the birth announcement portion of your Passing Genes Lab. So you should already have your genotypes and phenotypes figured out for your offspring. And on the birth announcement, you're pretty much going to bring it all together. So what you can do is either hand draw or you can use a digital drawing of your offspring. So to create a digital drawing, you're going to go to Insert, Drawing, and then New. And now on here, I can do my drawing. I can add shapes for, okay, so maybe that's their head, and I can add a shape for their body. Let's say there we go, this is their body, and so on and so forth. And I give them their traits with their eyes and their hair and all the correct things, right? When you save it, you'll notice that it will put that image right in there, which is great and easy. The other thing you could do is if you could hand draw it. And once you hand draw it, you could import it by doing the following. You could click on Insert Image and then use the camera on your Chromebook and take a picture of it. So like hold it up to the camera, take a picture of it, and it'll insert that picture of it. Now let's review the certain things that should be on this. There's two places where you can look. One is the rubric, which you're going to find at the end of your lab. So here under birth announcement, you can see all the things that I'm looking for in terms of how I'm going to be grading this. So you have to list the genotypes and the phenotypes of your child, their name, the parents' names. You have to have creativity, make sure you use color, draw a picture of your baby with illustrations, the name of your baby, neatness, counts. All right. The other place you can look is this link here for the kind of like do's and don'ts. All right, so this is the birth announcement instructions. So once you open that up, it comes here. It tells you the things that you must have. It gives you things that you could have, like you may have. You can add for some extra spice on your birth announcement, and things that you need to avoid. We want to make sure that, like for example, when you're naming your baby, you're giving them an appropriate name for school. Okay. So those are the two places that you can look when you're creating your birth announcement. And to actually create it, you could either use the Google Draw tools or you could hand draw it. All right, if you have any confusion or any questions, please ask your teacher.